What's up? Keitora YYC in the house. Just started it up for the first time this season. Had it parked all winter. Should be warm enough now. Let's shut it off. Alright, so we've got a lot in store for today. And if you've been keeping up with my videos, you know what's up. But here we go. Yes. So we're going to put the new wheels on. If you wanted to see the unboxing video for these rims, you can check it out right here. Otherwise, yeah, you might already be familiar with them. So here they are on the tires. And let me get you some details on the tires. So I ended up buying these Nankang AS-1 tires. And here's the size. So I got the 155 14s, and so there's a little bit of a stretch on the rim, but that's exactly what I was going for. So let's see if I can show you guys. See if I can one-hand this. Oh yeah, no problem. So yeah, let me show you how it looks. So that's straight down, kind of hard to tell, but yeah, there you go. So that's the stretch I got. That's the stretch I was looking for. So if you remember, this is a 6-inch wide rim, and then I put the 155 14s on it. So let me know, do you guys like the stretch? Do you hate it? I personally like it, and it's not too extreme. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna put these on, and let me give you a nice look on what it looks like now. So that's what it looks like now, and then we'll get you a nice after shot when we're done. So I'm going to take a pause here because I forgot to show you the lug nuts that I'm going to use. So these are the lug nuts that I picked out to put on these wheels. I was looking at lug nuts, and I was going way down the rabbit hole, and I figured, you know what, let me just get these so I can put the wheels on. Then if I get something I like, I'll order those up. But yeah, let me know what you think about these ones. I think they'll look pretty cool. And yeah, just a reminder for the Suzuki Keitora DA63T, we want an M12 by 1.25 thread lug nut. So what I'm going to do right now that I've got the wheel off and I've got the opportunity, just going to use a steel wire brush and then going to clean up the hub here. So I just want to make this surface a bit cleaner so that the wheel doesn't get stuck. And depending on how dirty it is after I brush it off, I might apply a very thin coat of anti-seize, but let's see how it looks after I clean it up. Alright, so there we have the first wheel on. Looks pretty slick. Gonna put the rest on and then torque the bolts down and then see how it looks. Oh yeah, we poking. We definitely poking. Yes. Alright. Gonna put the other one on and then do the back, and then see you soon. Alright guys, there you have it. The wheels are on and looking tight. Super excited. Super happy with how they came out. Got a little bit of poke at the front. Let's check that poke out. Alright, that's how we do it. And then there it is on the back. Haven't even gone for a test drive yet, but super excited. Old wheels, goodbye. New wheels, what's up? Got the lug nuts torqued down. So for the Suzuki Keitora DA63T, the torque spec for your lug nuts is 85 Newton meters, and then that rounds up to about 63 foot-pounds. So make sure you always tighten your lug nuts and don't over tighten them. And then gonna go for a drive soon, and you probably see that cardboard there and we'll go, wondering what's going on. So these tires are significantly different size than those. So what I'm trying to do is just figure out the right tire pressure. So what I did was I drove over a piece of cardboard with the old tire. You can kind of see the tire mark, and that's exactly 9.5 centimeters wide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive over the new piece of cardboard and then measure the footprint of the wheel, and hopefully it's the same. If it's wider, maybe we can up the tire pressure a bit, make it narrower. If the footprint is narrower than 9.5 centimeters, we can lower the tire pressure, get it around the same. Just make sure you never go over the PSI that the tire is rated for. So this tire is rated for 51 PSI. Never go over that. You're gonna have a really bad time. These tires came filled at 38 PSI. So we'll see how it goes. If we're within like half a cent, I'm not even gonna touch it. But yeah, got the wheels on. Gonna go for a test drive, probably take some pictures. But yeah, stay tuned for some more pictures and some more content with the truck and with the wheels. So once again, thank you very much for tuning in. Peace out.